Vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, Emily here from It's Vegan. Today I am going to make a Brussels sprout salad. So first I need to chop up these Brussels sprouts. Well, I'm going to slice them.
For this salad, I just like to slice the Brussels sprouts with a serrated knife. You get the idea. I'm just going to slice the rest of these bee sprouts and I'll be right back.
I've cut up all of my Brussels sprouts and now let's make the dressing. Balsamic vinegar, lime juice, maple syrup. To that we are going to add ground lemongrass, salt, and garlic powder. Give that a quick stir. Then Brussels sprouts. We have cranberries that I chopped up and currants. Candied nuts, these are just candied with maple syrup. Shredded carrot and a little bit of red onion. We'll give this a stir. Maybe I should have got a little bigger bowl.
I candied walnuts for this salad, but you could use different nuts. Also, you could just use cranberries.
I like to chill this in the fridge for an hour before I serve it. I've chilled our salad and plated it up. Crunchy from the Brussels sprouts, tangy from the cranberries and the currants. What a delicious salad. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me. We hope you subscribe and come back next week.